today's video, we are diving deep into Indian history with 96 meticulously crafted multiple-choice questions, complete with options, answers, and detailed explanations. These questions are designed to give you a thorough understanding and help you excel in your exams. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more such informative content. Who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty? Options are A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Bindusara, C. Ashoka, D. Brihadrata. Answer: A. Chandragupta Maurya. Explanation: Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya dynasty in 322 BCE after overthrowing the Nanda dynasty. The first battle of Panipat was fought between which two armies? Options are A. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, B. Akbar and Hemu, C. Aurangzeb and Shivaji, D. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Answer: A. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Explanation: The first battle of Panipat in 1526 marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India. Who composed the national song, Vande Mataram? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Subramania Bharti, D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer: B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Explanation: Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel, Anandamath. The Gupta Empire is known as the Golden Age of India mainly because of. Options are A. Advances in science and technology, B. Flourishing of arts and literature, C. Military conquests, D. Trade and commerce. Answer: B. Flourishing of arts and literature. Explanation: The Gupta period saw significant advancements in literature, science, and the arts. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? Options are A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Rajagopalachari, D. Sardar Patel. Answer: B. Lord Mountbatten. Explanation: Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy and the first Governor-General of independent India. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by. Options are A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Hastings. Answer: A. Lord Dalhousie. Explanation: Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse, which allowed the British to annex states without a male heir. The Quit India movement was launched in. Options are A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1940, D. 1942. Answer: D. 1942. Explanation: The Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in August 1942, demanding an end to British rule in India. Who was the first woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Annie Besant, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Answer: B. Annie Besant. Explanation: Annie Besant was the first woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress in 1917. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Options are A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1857, D. 1784. Answer: A. 1757. Explanation: The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between the British East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah. The Swadeshi movement was started in response to. Options are A. Partition of Bengal, B. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, C. Salt March, D. Simon Commission. Answer: A. Partition of Bengal. Explanation: The Swadeshi movement was initiated in 1905 as a reaction to the partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? Options are A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer: A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Explanation: Dadabhai Nauroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India, was the first Indian elected to the British Parliament in 1892? The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? Options are A. 1915, B. 1917, C. 1919, D. 1921. Answer C. 1919. Explanation: the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on April 13, 1919, when British troops fired on a peaceful gathering in Amritsar. Who was the founder of the Chola Empire? Options are A. Rajaraja Chola I, B. Vijayalaya Chola, C. Rajendra Chola I, D. Kulothinga Chola I. Answer B. Vijayalaya Chola. Explanation: Vijayalaya Chola founded the Chola Empire in the 9th century. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? Options are A. 1885, B. 1905, C. 1920, D. 1935. Answer A. 1885. Explanation: the Indian National Congress was founded on December 28, 1885, by Alan Octavian Hume. Who led the Salt March to Dandi? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation: Mahatma Gandhi led the Salt March, also known as the Dandi March, in 1930 to protest the British salt tax. The All India Muslim League was founded in. Options are A. 1885, B. 1906, C. 1916, D. 1920. Answer B. 1906. Explanation: the All India Muslim League was founded in 1906 in Dhaka to promote Muslim political interests. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? Options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Sardar Patel, C. Drive Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. C. Rajagopalachari. Explanation: C. Rajagopalachari was the first and last Indian Governor General of independent India, serving from 1948 to 1950. The Battle of Buxar was fought in. Options are A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1784, D. 1857. Answer B. 1764. Explanation: the Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764 between the British East India Company and the combined forces of the Mughal Emperor, the Nawab of Awadh, and the Nawab of Bengal. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? Options are A. Akbar, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Samudragupta, D. Ashoka. Answer C. Samudragupta. Explanation: Samudragupta, the Gupta Emperor, is often referred to as the Napoleon of India due to his military conquests. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 is also known as. Options are A. First War of Indian Independence, B. Sepoy Mutiny, C. Great Revolt, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation: the Indian Rebellion of 1857 is referred to as the First War of Indian Independence, Sepoy Mutiny, and the Great Revolt. The non-cooperation movement was called off by Gandhi after. Options are A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, B. Chauri Chura incident, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. Simon Commission. Answer B. Chauri Chura incident. Explanation: Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement in 1922 following the violent Chauri Chura incident. Who was the first President of India? Options are A. Drive Rajendra Prasad, B. Drive S. Radhakrishnan, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer A. Drive Rajendra Prasad. Explanation: Drive Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, serving from 1950 to 1962. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was carried out by. Options are A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Lytton, D. Lord Minto. Answer. A. Lord Curzon. Explanation. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal in 1905 to weaken the nationalist movement. The Harappan civilization is also known as. Options are A. Aryan civilization, B. Indus Valley civilization, C. Vedic civilization, D. Mauryan civilization. Answer. B. Indus Valley civilization. Explanation. The Harappan civilization is commonly referred to as the Indus Valley civilization, known for its advanced urban culture. The famous Treaty of Purandar, 1665, was signed between. Options are A. Shivaji and Aurangzeb, B. Shivaji and Jaya Singh, C. Aurangzeb and Jaya Singh, D. Shivaji and Afzal Khan. Answer. B. Shivaji and Jaya Singh. Explanation. The Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665 between Shivaji and Jaya Singh, representing Aurangzeb. The Ajanta caves were built during the period of. Options are A. Maurya Empire, B. Gupta Empire, C. Chola Empire, D. Mughal Empire. Answer. B. Gupta Empire. Explanation. The Ajanta caves, famous for their Buddhist frescoes, were built during the Gupta period. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Options are A. C. V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Hargobind Khorana, D. Amartya Sen. Answer. B. Rabindranath Tagore. Explanation. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his work, Gitanjali. The Indian independence movement was initiated by which event? Options are A. Battle of Plassey, B. First War of Independence 1857, C. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, D. Simon Commission. Answer. B. First War of Independence 1857. Explanation. The First War of Independence in 1857 is considered the starting point of the Indian independence movement. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhas Chandra Bose, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Explanation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was called the Iron Man of India for his role in uniting the princely states into India. The Pune Pact of 1932 was an agreement between. Options are A. Gandhi and Ambedkar, B. Gandhi and Nehru, C. Nehru and Jinnah, D. Ambedkar and Patel. Answer. A. Gandhi and Ambedkar. Explanation. The Pune Pact was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar regarding the representation of the depressed classes in the legislative assemblies. Who was the last Viceroy of British India? Options are A. Lord Wavell, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Linlithgow, D. Lord Curzon. Answer. B. Lord Mountbatten. Explanation. Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of British India, overseeing the transition to independence in 1947. The Simon Commission was boycotted because. Options are A. It did not include any Indian members, B. It was against the Indian National Congress, C. It proposed the partition of India, D. It supported the British rule. Answer. A. It did not include any Indian members. Explanation. The Simon Commission, set up in 1927, was boycotted by Indians as it did not include any Indian members. The famous book, Arthashastra, was written by. Options are A. Kalidasa, B. Chanakya, C. Banabhatta, D. Patanjali. Answer. B. Chanakya. Explanation. Arthashastra, an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, economic policy, and military strategy, was written by Chanakya. The Indian National Army, INA, trials took place in. Options are A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Allahabad. Answer. B. Delhi. Explanation. The INA trials, also known as the Red Fort trials, were held in Delhi in 1945-46. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhi? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Subhas Chandra Bose, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Explanation. Rabindranath Tagore gave Gandhi the title of Mahatma, meaning great soul. The Dandi March marked the beginning of which movement? Options are A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Quit India movement, D. Swadeshi movement. Answer B. Civil disobedience movement. Explanation: the Dandi March in 1930 marked the start of the civil disobedience movement, protesting the British salt tax. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar and Options are A. Rana Sanga, B. Rana Pratap, C. Rana Kumbha, D. Rana Uday Singh. Answer B. Rana Pratap. Explanation: the Battle of Haldighati in 1576 was fought between Akbar's forces and Maharana Pratap of Mewar. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were introduced in Options are A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1920. Answer C. 1919. Explanation: the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were introduced in 1919, aiming to increase Indian participation in government. The Khilafat movement was led by Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Ali Brothers, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer B. Ali Brothers. Explanation: the Khilafat movement was led by the Ali brothers, aiming to protect the Ottoman Caliphate. The Battle of Wandiwash was fought between Options are A. British and French, B. British and Dutch, C. British and Portuguese, D. British and Marathas. Answer A. British and French. Explanation: the Battle of Wandiwash in 1760 was fought between the British and the French, leading to British dominance in India. The Cabinet Mission Plan was proposed in Options are A. 1942, B. 1945, C. 1946, D. 1947. Answer C. 1946. Explanation: the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946 aimed to discuss the transfer of power from the British government to Indian leadership. The Vernacular Press Act was enacted by Options are A. Lord Lytton, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Dalhousie. Answer A. Lord Lytton. Explanation: the Vernacular Press Act of 1878 was enacted by Lord Lytton to curb the freedom of the Indian press. The famous phrase, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," was said by Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Explanation: Bal Gangadhar Tilak famously proclaimed, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," emphasizing self-rule for India. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance system in India? Options are A. Lord Wellesley, B. Lord Hastings, C. Lord Cornwallis, D. Lord Dalhousie. Answer A. Lord Wellesley. Explanation: Lord Wellesley introduced the subsidiary alliance system to establish British supremacy in India. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? Options are A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1920. Answer C. 1919. Explanation: the Rowlatt Act of 1919 allowed the British government to imprison any person suspected of terrorism without trial. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Quit India movement? Options are A. Lord Linlithgow, B. Lord Wavell, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Lord Curzon. Answer A. Lord Linlithgow. Explanation: Lord Linlithgow was the Viceroy of India during the Quit India movement in 1942. The Second Battle of Panipat was fought between Options are A. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, B. Akbar and Hemu, C. Akbar and Rana Pratap, D. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Answer B. Akbar and Hemu. Explanation: the Second Battle of Panipat in 1556 was fought between Akbar and the forces of Hemu, who was defeated. The forward bloc was founded by Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhas Chandra Bose, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer C. Subhas Chandra Bose. Explanation: Subhas Chandra Bose founded the Forward Bloc in 1939 after resigning from the Indian National Congress. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Options are A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942, D. 1943. Answer C. 1942. Explanation: the Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi on the 8th of August 1942, demanding an end to British rule in India. The first Governor-General of independent India was. Options are A. Lord Mountbatten, B. C. Rajagopalachari, C. Drive, Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Lord Mountbatten. Explanation: Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor-General of independent India until June 1948. The title of Sardar was given to Vallabhbhai Patel by. Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhas Chandra Bose, D. Maulana Azad. Answer A. Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation: Mahatma Gandhi gave Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar for his leadership in the Bardoli Satyagraha. The Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and. Options are A. British East India Company, B. French East India Company, C. Dutch East India Company, D. Portuguese East India Company. Answer A. British East India Company. Explanation: the Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed in 1792 between Tipu Sultan and the British East India Company. Who was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Annie Besant, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sucheta Kripalani. Answer B. Sarojini Naidu. Explanation: Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress in 1925. The Bardoli Satyagraha was led by. Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Explanation: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928, a farmers' movement against increased land revenue assessments. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Options are A. 1755, B. 1757, C. 1761, D. 1764. Answer B. 1757. Explanation: the Battle of Plassey was fought on the 23rd of June 1757 between the British East India Company and Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah. The first Indian satellite was named. Options are A. Bhaskara, B. Aryabhat, C. Rohini, D. Insat-1A. Answer B. Aryabhat. Explanation: Aryabhat was India's first satellite, launched on the 19th of April 1975. The term Hind Swaraj was coined by. Options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer C. Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation: Mahatma Gandhi coined the term Hind Swaraj in his book written in 1909, outlining his vision for Indian self-rule. The Battle of Buxar was fought between. Options are A. British East India Company and Marathas, B. British East India Company and Nawab of Bengal, C. British East India Company and Dutch, D. British East India Company and French. Answer B. British East India Company and Nawab of Bengal. Explanation: the Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764 between the British East India Company and the combined forces of the Nawab of Bengal, the Nawab of Awadh, and the Mughal Emperor. The first Indian to enter the Indian civil services was. Options are A. Satyendranath Tagore, B. Surendranath Banerjee, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer A. Satyendranath Tagore. Explanation: Satyendranath Tagore, brother of Rabindranath Tagore, was the first Indian to join the Indian civil services in 1863. The All India Muslim League was founded in. Options are A. 1905, B. 1906, C. 1907, D. 1908. Answer B. 1906. Explanation: the All India Muslim League was founded on the 30th of December 1906 in Dhaka to represent the interests of the Muslim population. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in. Options are A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1920. Answer C. 1919. Explanation: the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on the 13th of April 1919, when British troops fired on a peaceful gathering, killing hundreds. Who was the first Indian Governor-General of independent India? Options are A. Lord Mountbatten, B. C. Rajagopalachari, C. Drive, Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. C. Rajagopalachari. Explanation: C. Rajagopalachari was the first and only Indian Governor-General of independent India, serving from 1948 to 1950. The famous Lucknow Pact of 1916 was signed between. Options are A. Congress and British Government, B. Congress and Muslim League, C. Congress and Forward Bloc, D. Congress and Swaraj Party. Answer B. Congress and Muslim League. Explanation: the Lucknow Pact was an agreement between the Indian National Congress and the All India Muslim League, aimed at presenting a united front to the British. The Brahmo Samaj was founded by. Options are A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Dayanand Saraswati, D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Answer A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Explanation: Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828 to reform and modernize Hindu society. The slogan, Jaya Jawan Jaya Kisan, was given by. Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Explanation: Lal Bahadur Shastri coined the slogan, Jaya Jawan Jaya Kisan, during the 1965 India-Pakistan war to encourage soldiers and farmers. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by. Options are A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Hastings. Answer A. Lord Dalhousie. Explanation: Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse in 1848, which allowed the British to annex any princely state without a male heir. The First Anglo-Burmese War was concluded by the Treaty of. Options are A. Treaty of Yandabo, B. Treaty of Seringapatam, C. Treaty of Salbai, D. Treaty of Bassein. Answer A. Treaty of Yandabo. Explanation: the Treaty of Yandabo, signed in 1826, ended the First Anglo-Burmese War, with Burma ceding significant territories to the British. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn due to. Options are A. Chauri Chura Incident, B. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, C. Dandi March, D. Simon Commission Arrival. Answer A. Chauri Chura Incident. Explanation: Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement in 1922 following the violent Chauri Chura incident where a mob killed police officers. The founder of the slave dynasty in India was. Options are A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Balban, D. Razia Sultan. Answer A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Explanation: Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, a former slave, founded the slave dynasty in India in 1206 after the death of his master, Muhammad Ghori. The permanent settlement was introduced by. Options are A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Wellesley. Answer A. Lord Cornwallis. Explanation: Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal in 1793, fixing land revenue and making landlords hereditary owners. The civil disobedience movement began with. Options are A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Dandi March, C. Quit India movement, D. Simon Commission Arrival. Answer B. Dandi March. Explanation: the civil disobedience movement began with the Dandi March in 1930, where Mahatma Gandhi protested the salt tax. The first battle of Terrain was fought between. Options are A. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. B. Akbar and Rana Pratap. C. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. D. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Answer. A. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Explanation. The first battle of Tarain in 1191 was fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, where Prithviraj emerged victorious. The capital of the Pallava dynasty was. Options are A. Kanchipuram, B. Madurai, C. Tanjore, D. Hyderabad. Answer. A. Kanchipuram. Explanation. Kanchipuram was the capital of the Pallava dynasty, which ruled parts of South India from the 3rd to 9th centuries CE. Who was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Badruddin Tayyibji, B. Abul Kalam Azad, C. Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Answer. A. Badruddin Tayyibji. Explanation. Badruddin Tayyibji was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress, elected in 1887. The Rayatwari system was introduced by. Options are A. Thomas Munro, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Lord Dalhousie, D. Robert Clive. Answer. A. Thomas Munro. Explanation. Thomas Munro introduced the Rayatwari system in Madras and Bombay presidencies, where peasants paid land revenue directly to the government. The Bhudan movement was initiated by. Options are A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. Answer. A. Vinoba Bhave. Explanation. Vinoba Bhave started the Bhudan movement in 1951, encouraging landowners to donate land to landless farmers. The Rigveda is primarily a collection of. Options are A. Hymns, B. Rituals, C. Philosophical discourses, D. Stories. Answer. A. Hymns. Explanation. The Rigveda is an ancient Indian collection of Vedic Sanskrit hymns, dedicated to various deities. The First War of Indian Independence is also known as. Options are A. Sepoy Mutiny, B. Quit India Movement, C. Civil Disobedience Movement, D. Non-Cooperation Movement. Answer. A. Sepoy Mutiny. Explanation. The First War of Indian Independence, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny, occurred in 1857, led by Indian soldiers against British rule. The Ashokan edicts are written in which script? Options are A. Devanagari, B. Brahmi, C. Kharosthi, D. Tamil. Answer. B. Brahmi. Explanation. The Ashokan edicts are inscribed in the Brahmi script, one of the oldest writing systems in India. The founder of the Arya Samaj was. Options are A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Answer. C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Explanation. Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj in 1875 to promote Vedic teachings and social reforms. The Indian National Congress split into two groups in 1907 at. Options are A. Bombay, B. Surat, C. Calcutta, D. Madras. Answer. B. Surat. Explanation. The Indian National Congress split into the moderates and extremists in 1907 at the Surat session. The round table conferences were held in. Options are A. London, B. Paris, C. Geneva, D. New York. Answer. A. London. Explanation. The round table conferences were held in London between 1930 and 1932 to discuss constitutional reforms in India. The Gandhara school of art developed during the reign of. Options are A. Mauryas, B. Kushanas, C. Guptas, D. Palas. Answer. B. Kushanas. Explanation. The Gandhara school of art flourished during the reign of the Kushanas, blending Indian and Greek artistic styles. The founder of the Gupta Empire was. Options are A. Chandragupta I, B. Samudragupta, C. Chandragupta II, D. Skandagupta. Answer. A. Chandragupta I. Explanation. Chandragupta I founded the Gupta Empire around 320 CE, initiating a golden age in Indian history. The First Anglo-Maratha War ended with the Treaty of. Options are A. Treaty of Purandhar, B. Treaty of Salbai. C. Treaty of Bassein. D. Treaty of Surat. Answer: B. Treaty of Salbai. Explanation: the First Anglo-Maratha War ended in 1782 with the Treaty of Salbai, restoring the status quo between the British and Marathas. The Khilafat movement was launched to protest against. Options are: A. British rule in India. B. Disintegration of the Ottoman Empire. C. Partition of Bengal. D. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Answer: B. Disintegration of the Ottoman Empire. Explanation: the Khilafat movement was launched by Indian Muslims in 1919 to protest against the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire and to protect the Caliphate. The Battle of Chausa was fought between. Options are: A. Akbar and Hemu. B. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. C. Babur and Rana Sanga. D. Aurangzeb and Shivaji. Answer: B. Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Explanation: the Battle of Chausa was fought in 1539 between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri, resulting in Humayun's defeat. The capital city established by Kanishka was. Options are: A. Pataliputra. B. Taxila. C. Purushapura. D. Ujjain. Answer: C. Purushapura. Explanation: Kanishka, the Kushan emperor, established his capital at Purushapura, modern-day Peshawar in Pakistan. The Rowlatt Act was passed in the year. Options are: A. 1917. B. 1918. C. 1919. D. 1920. Answer: C. 1919. Explanation: the Rowlatt Act, passed in 1919, allowed the British government to imprison any person suspected of terrorism without trial. The Battle of Plassey was significant because. Options are: A. It marked the end of Mughal rule in India. B. It led to the establishment of British rule in India. C. It ended the Maratha Empire. D. It was a decisive victory for the Portuguese. Answer: B. It led to the establishment of British rule in India. Explanation: the Battle of Plassey in 1757 was crucial as it marked the beginning of British dominance in India, establishing the British East India Company as a major power. The Treaty of Versailles ended which war? Options are: A. World War I. B. World War II. C. The First Anglo-Burmese War. D. The Second Anglo-Maratha War. Answer: A. World War I. Explanation: the Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, officially ended World War I and imposed heavy reparations on Germany. The first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize was. Options are: A. Mother Teresa. B. Amartya Sen. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer: A. Mother Teresa. Explanation: Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work with the missionaries of charity. The Indian Act of 1935 is also known as. Options are: A. Government of India Act. B. Rowlatt Act. C. Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms. D. Regulating Act. Answer: A. Government of India Act. Explanation: the Government of India Act 1935 was a significant legislation that provided for greater autonomy to the provinces and was a precursor to India's independence. The Battle of Talikota was fought in which year? Options are: A. 1565. B. 1575. C. 1585. D. 1595. Answer: A. 1565. Explanation: the Battle of Talikota in 1565 was fought between the Deccan Sultanates and the Vijayanagara Empire, leading to the latter's defeat and decline. The first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna was. Options are: A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. D. Drive. S. Radhakrishnan. Answer: D. Drive. S. Radhakrishnan. Explanation: Drive. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first recipient of the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1954. The Mughal emperor known for his religious tolerance was. Options are: A. Akbar. B. Aurangzeb. C. Babur. D. Shah Jahan. Answer: A. Akbar. Explanation: Akbar the Great is renowned for his policy of religious tolerance and efforts to promote harmony among different religions in his empire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with fellow exam aspirants. Stay tuned for more educational content and best of luck with your studies.